Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Purchased this case for my GoPro 12. Purchased this case from Amazon. This is FitStill brand and I got it from Amazon for $12.95 plus tax. So let me show you what comes inside the box. So as you can see, these mounting devices are here, and this is the main thing, and these are the covers for lens, and this one is for the battery side. So I checked in Amazon, there are a lot of covers, but this is 12, so 12 has very less, not too many yet in the market, and most of them are very expensive, and I just need the cover. So that's why I choose this one, because this is not metal, this is hard plastic. And one more thing is, there are two reasons for buying this one, is because this has the holder, the mounting for flashlight, or if you want to add any microphone or anything. Yes, this has all those holders, mounting holders. That's why I choose this one, and obviously price. So let me show you this one first. So let me take out this. So let me take out from this mounting. And so this will go to this side. Oh, before that I have to use this one. So this is good thing. So I'm gonna use this, and it has a, like, you don't need to remove the whole thing, open these things while you are charging or doing anything. So let me put that. So it's a little hard, it's not easy. So I just put this one, and to remove I have to use this. This is easy. And while for charging or getting the data, copying the data, I just can use just directly just open this one. I don't need to take out whole thing. And I can put this one here. Done. So you can see, and if I use this, so this is good. And also this is the lens cover, which is very important, I think. Like while storing this device somewhere, I think it's better to have a lens cover. And this is good. This is if you want to use any flash or any light, external light or anything, you can just directly use it here. And this is good. And they have this mounting device, mounting port, like this panel here, so you don't need to use anything. You can use this one, as they're giving 2 extra, but I don't need it. I just fine with this. So this is good side. So this is pretty good, friends. This is really good. And it's only $12.95, means $13, so which is very good. I'm gonna share the link, because all of them, rest of them are very expensive, and that's why I just purchased it, because I don't use media mode anymore, because this is 12, and it has Bluetooth. So the only thing I need is a charging port here, even though it gives really good video recording time. But even though it gives very good recording time, but sometimes I may need to keep charging on. So this one, you can easily connect, and you don't need to keep the door open, which is very good. Which that's what I need actually. Every time I don't want to keep the door open and do the recording, so this is very good. I like that's the reason. And it gives a cover protection here, plus it has the lens cover. When you are not recording, you want to see, already there's a lot of dust on this one, so this is good. So that's all about this video, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestion or any thoughts, please put it in the comment box. Thank you.